Welcome guys, this is the final part of how to draw your building plan, how to actually draw the floor plan of your building. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to do your dimensioning when it comes to your building. So before we start on the dimensions, we have to go to the annotation and we click on the dimension style, and you can see we don't really have architectural style, so we'll click on new and then we'll change this to dimension. I'll click on continue. So for the line we're okay. For the arrow and tick, we need the architectural tick, so we click on architectural tick. For the text, I think the standard is okay and it's centered. Okay, so we don't need to change it, it's centered. Primary unit and decimal, and that's okay. So we click on OK and we click on this and set as current and we close. Now we are going to click on this linear to get our dimension. So we click from this point to this point and we drag. There's something you will notice that our dimension, the hatches is not allowing our dimension to be seen properly. So we go over to the layer property, and then for the hatches we click on this bulb kind of symbol and we'll click on it to turn off the hatches temporary for some time. So we go back. So that is our dimension. Now we need to put another dimension. You can click for this. So we can actually click this point, from this point to this point. Also pick out from this point. We can pick out dimension, so we can select click on this dimension, click over here to this point, click on it, click on dimension, from this point to this point, and then click on this point, from this point to this point, can see that we're putting up our dimension in various area. So this is it. Our building have its necessary dimension, and we can also put up a note. You can see we failed to use so we can change all the dimension because we used the text layer for our dimension, so we need to change that. Click on it, and then we go over here, we click on dimension so that we can change the various dimensions we use to the proper layer. And click on escape, and we are good to go. You can see we've done our dimension. Now we can put up a text over here to indicate the thickness of our block. So we can say note all exterior and interior wall exterior and interior wall is 0.15 millimeter, and we go outside and click on enter. So with this we're ready to print our floor plan. And in the next video I'll be teaching you how to design or get an elevation plan for a building. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.